Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode of RTHD, what I'd like to do is show you guys how to mount your phone using the ring, the magnetic ring that DJI gave on the OSMO Mobile 4 to your phone. So let's have a quick look at it if it's possible. So you have the ring, which looks like this. Now there's two ways, of course, DJI offers a way to mount. You can actually use the clip, which is here, and or you can use the ring. I'm not going to use the ring, but I'm going to show you guys how you can go ahead using the ring, because it seems kind of a bit complicated, but it's not. It's really easy. You just need to know what is supplied. So you have the ring. DJI also gives you this alignment, this clear alignment guide, which you can use, and I'm going to show you guys that very quickly. And then it also has this little small package that DJI also offers as well, and it has like a wet wipe, a dry wipe. It has a sticker, and it has like a black sticker, and then it also has a 3M sticker on it, and that's pretty much to mount it to your phone. Now you're gonna mount the ring to the back of the phone. That's the first thing. Obviously you don't want to put it on the touchscreen, you're gonna put it on the back. And what the alignment guide is supposed to do is to center this, give you an idea how to center it to the back of the phone. Another thing, the reason why I'm not going to mount it to my phone is because my phone has a case, and as you can see, this case has little spaces and dots, so it's not going to mount properly. So make sure that when you're mounting, that you're not going to mount it on a case that it won't grip onto. And it actually, DJI also offers suggestions and instructions on how to mount this to a glass phone. Most of these Samsung phones are glass, and you have to be very careful. So you have to use the two stickers, not just one sticker. There's two stickers. There's a black sticker. You have to use that before you put on the other sticker as well. So stay tuned, and I'll change my perspective, and we'll see how we can get to that now. Great, so we're back, and this is the stuff that you should get in the box. If you didn't have a look at my unboxing, check out the unboxing. But this is the stuff that you'll need. You'll need the ring, the magnetic ring, which you're seeing here. It's like a coin. There's this little bag that has like a 1, or you should see at least some stickers at the back of it, as you can see there. Of course, you need your phone, and you'll need the manual. There is an actual manual, the magnetic ring holder user guide, that actually explains this as best as possible. And you'll need this alignment guide, which is pretty easy. So as I said, I mentioned that I won't be actually sticking it on, but I'm going to show you guys how I do it. And the reason for not sticking it on is because of my case. But you can always take off your case and mount this directly to the device, to the phone. Or if you have a flat case, mine has like circles and stuff on it. If you have a flat case, you can actually mount it to the case as well. Now, one of the first things that we need to do is to understand what's happening with the packet, what's in the packet. So there's a few things inside of here, and I'm going to try to bring this out. And DJI was nice enough to put this stuff in, and that's kind of cool because it's well thought out, I would say. One of the things is that you get a wet wipe. So these are wipes, wet wipes, and there's a dry wipe. So step 1, and they numbered it 1 and 2. And they gave you like 2 3M stickers. I think 1 is an extra one. You don't need the 2. But I guess common sense, you can figure that out as you go along with that part. And of course, the actual ring itself. And the ring, of course, you will have to, it has that little thing you pull off and you stick it on. But the first thing, of course, you have to do is you flip the phone backwards. Obviously, you're not going to put this on the screen, right? You want to put this on the back. So you flip the phone back, and you wipe it out with the wet wipe first, and then you dry it out with the dry wipe. So you wipe it out, and there you go. And then it says that if you have to mount the ring, if you're going to stick this ring to a glass phone, you need to put the sticker on, and that's why they give this guide. And this is great, because this kind of gives you an idea of where the center of the phone is. So I don't know if you'll see this, but there's lines for different sizes of the phones. Maybe you can see there's different sizes of the phones, and so you line up those lines to your size phone. So my size phone is like the second one, the second line. So this is great because this gives you an idea where the center is going to be, and you just make sure that that's lined up. And once you have it lined up like that, all right, so now we know that the center is here, then you can of course stick on this part. So you pull it off and you stick it in the same shape and area that they have here. And then after you do that, after you stick that on, remember this is for the glass, right? So you stick this onto the back of the phone that has glass, and then you use this sticker and stick this on. Okay, and then after you use the 3M sticker and you stick that on, then you stick the DJI OSMO mobile on the center of that, and that's how it works. So that's how you get this to work properly, because you don't want to damage anything. And so that's the whole idea behind it, and that's according to the manual, which actually says that. So the manual actually says that the sticker must be used when attaching the magnetic ring holder to a phone made of glass. Do not attach the magnetic ring holder directly to a phone that's made of glass. So that's where that comes in, and it's pretty much the same thing in different languages. So there's not really much more details I can say, but that's according to the manual, and I think that's probably going to be the best way to do it. So guys, I hope that actually helps you out on how to mount it on. But I'll be of course using the clip, because clip is fairly easy, and it's easy to plug in, to put in on the phone as well too. So there you have two options, and I will probably use the clip. So guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna come up with more Osmo Mobile 4 videos as well, so please stay tuned, and have a good one, guys. Have a good day. Bye.